The McNeal Mansion was constructed in 1897 for Andrew H. McNeal, right on the Delaware River. Andrew McNeal was a successful businessman who founded the company called McNeal Pike and Foundry Company in New Jersey. This mansion served as his main home for his family. This property the mansion was built on was over 10,000 square feet and at the time was deemed the largest private-owned property in the country. In 1899, the U.S. Pipeline Company purchased the McNeal Company, and around the same time the McNeal family left the mansion's property. U.S. Pipe used the mansion and its huge property as the company's corporate office, expanding the building including 3 more wings in the 1920s and 30s. This addition makes the mansion a crazy total of 24,000 square feet of space. In 1974, the building was abandoned by the company, left to decay over time. In 2001, there was a fire inside the property that completely ruined more than half the mansion. Over the years, there has been plans to renovate or build on the property, including hotels, condos, restaurants, and more. To this day, the mansion's property sits untouched, naturally decaying for explorers to seek out.
Never reminded, never taking whatever you told me. I know what I could be.